Hi, welcome to another episode of WIT Reloaded. My name is Erika Chakraborty and I have 7+ years of experience in testing domain. Today, I have been given a very interesting topic to speak about, and that is the top 3 myths around automation. So as we know, there are a couple of myths that float around in QA industry, but I'll try to point out 3. So, as per my understanding, these are the top 3 myths that I feel to discuss here. The first one goes to, can everything be automated? So, this is a simple yet an important question that comes with us, right? So, sometimes our managers or clients ask us, hey, can everything be automated in this functionality? So, as a tester, we should understand and we should know our application, how it behaves, and we should take a decision based on it, that which all the things can be automated and which all things cannot, right? And as per my experience, whichever projects I have worked on, I have always done some sort of manual testing in it. So 100% automation, according to me, is just a myth. It's not achievable at all. The second myth that I feel is automation testing will replace manual testing. So this is again a very debatable question, but I feel is automation testing is just reducing the manual effort of repetitive testing, whereas we humans are much more capable of doing much more testing in a vast way. So we have this imagination, intuition, and understanding the ways we can perform a testing. So what I feel is we just need to upgrade ourselves time to time so that we can do both the testings in parallel as and when required. The very third point, which I feel is a myth according to me, is automation testing will bring stability to an application immediately. So guys, sometimes it happens that whenever our script is written, we write our scripts, there is a understanding that, okay, once the script is done, our application will be full and final and it will be stable. But does that happen? It doesn't work that way, right? So according to me, what I have seen in my experience is till the developmental phase is going on, as the developmental phase changes, it keeps on changing, keeps on making changes in application. So do our application and automation scripts also changes. So it is not stable at all unless the developmental phase is over. And yes, over a period of time when everything goes smoothly, our automation scripts will give results perfectly. So these are the top 3 points which I believe are the myths around us. And I hope you like this video and give your feedback and comments, and I would love to have them. Once again, thank you Test Chat community for having me here and giving me a platform to speak up my mind. Thank you once again.
Hello everyone, I am Deepali and welcome to the Women in Testing Season 2. As being a tester for many years, today I would like to discuss about top 3 myths of automation testing. Well, some years ago, automated testing is a promising means to accelerate the product quality and mitigate the tester's workload. But as a result, QA automation has bring the efficiency in overall testing process. And nowadays, as we all know, automation testing is very popular. The new tools and technologies are helping us to improve the product quality and speed up the testing process. Along with this popularity, still there are some misconceptions. So come on and let's see what are those misconceptions. The first and very common and most important misconception is automation testing is superior or better than manual testing. The second misconception is with automated testing, we can achieve 100% test coverage. And the third myth is automated checks have higher rate of defect detections. Now let's see in detail. The first, Like automation testing is superior than manual testing. I think neither automation nor manual is superior or worse than each other. They just have their use. They just like our two hands. So the best testing approach is to find the medium between automation and manual testing. So manual testing is better when there is a need of human observation, like exploratory, smoke, usability testing should be manual, whereas automated testing is best for repetitive tasks, like the things which need to be tested frequently. For example, regression. So regression suit can be automated. So understanding the use and applying them on appropriate test, we can achieve more from both the testing. Now the second misconception is with automation we can achieve 100% test coverage. So if someone claims like 100% test is possible, then I think they are ignorant. So practically 100% test coverage is not possible because of endless possible permutations. It same applies to the automation. In automation, we can run the automated script with more data, more configuration, variety of operating systems, browsers, but still 100% test coverage is an unrealistic goal. With automation, we can in the automation, like number of tests doesn't mean that it's a good quality or better confidence. So rather than aiming for full test coverage, so focus on the most important or crucial functions of the system. Now the third myth is with automated checks, we can achieve higher rate of defect detection. Now this myth itself is challenging the human brains. Now tell me, who creates the automated checks? It's we, the testers. So the performance, the approach, the performance is depend upon the automation script performance is depend upon the program, how we write the program. So if something went wrong with the automation script, it's all due to the programming. And if something went wrong, then there is a high chance that we can miss the most critical bugs from the system. So considering all these three myths and about the details, so if we decipher these misunderstanding, then definitely it will change our workload, work pattern, and work quality. So as I say, these two types of testing, like automation and manual, are like our both hands. So if we make a use of these two testing, we can achieve more. So understand that automation testing is not a one-time activity. It's a continuous or the constant process of updating and maintaining the test script. So I hope with all these details, I clear these myths. So come on and let's automate some of our test cases. Thanks. I hope you like my video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.